Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Crypto Atlas. We are less than 1 minute away on the daily candle as of the time of me recording this video. And wow, what a big drop. This was actually pretty surprising for, I'm sure, a lot of people. Now it is 4 o'clock. We are in the new daily candle position, having just now gotten open. Oh, wait, actually, no, we're not. I forgot. Daylight savings time. We have a different time position now. Never mind. I got another hour with this. That's okay. We're still going to go ahead and discuss this in the video, guys. So now it's actually 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, but maybe there's still people that are psychologically focused on the previous trend, and we'll see how that kind of handles. So, technically, we got one more hour to go. Right now, holding above 56,000. Huge drop that took place with this. We got a couple things in the news for you guys. So if you're new to the channel, do not forget to hit subscribe, hit the thumbs up, like button as well. Let's try and get this video to at least 100 likes and click on the bell icon so you know whenever we have a new video. Okay, let's go and get right on into the news first. So this big drop that just took place. According to Forbes, here's some of the analytical reports that have been going on. We actually got a couple different resources of things, so I'm trying to aggregate everything into this video for you. The plunge came as a result of an aggressive sell-off as 185,350 trades worth approximately $2.22 billion were liquidated by crypto exchanges in the last 24 hours, mostly in Bitcoin, according to Bybit, a cryptocurrency future trading and information platform. Binance and Bybit exchanges saw the largest withdrawals. The largest single liquidation order of $18.94 million worth of Bitcoin occurred on the Huobi exchange. Analysts have been suggesting different scenarios behind the dump, according to Justin Barlow, research analyst at cryptocurrency data provider The Tie. A large deposit of roughly 18,000 Bitcoin worth over $1 billion was made to a hot wallet of cryptocurrency exchange Gemini, suggesting that an institutional holder may have been taking profits or exiting the market. Another data and analytics platform, Glassnode, refuted speculations about Bitcoin inflow into Gemini, saying the reported transactions were internal, made with funds that were already on the exchange's wallets. Let me know, what do you guys think about that? The failure to establish a foothold above $60,000 and the decline is likely the result of the flat to negative Coinbase premium, a major bellwether for institutional demand, according to Ki-Young Ju, CEO of blockchain analytics firm CryptoQuant. CryptoQuant's Coinbase Premium indicator measures the spread between Coinbase's BTC/USD pair and Binance's BTC/USDT pair. A positive spread implies increased demand from high net worth investors and institutions, as these entities prefer to trade via regulated exchanges with over-the-counter desks such as Coinbase. The premium was negative over the weekend when Bitcoin broke above $60,000 and remains marginally positive at press time, implying weak institutional demand. So, institutions, wake up. Come on. Go out there and start buying some more Bitcoin. Everyone needs it. Let's go. Also in the news, India. India is reportedly moving forward with a sweeping ban on cryptocurrencies. I mean, they don't know how to make up their mind on this stuff. It's been going on for years now. We're banning crypto. No, we're not. We're banning it. Well, we're going to allow some things. We're going to ban all of it. Well, let's give them some leeway with some. It's back and forth, back and forth. It's a joke at this point. According to Reuters, the country's legislature will introduce a bill that criminalizes trading, mining, issuing, transferring, or possessing cryptocurrency. The bill is likely to pass if it's introduced, giving India some of the world's strictest digital currency laws. Okay, so they're moving forward, but again, the bill is likely to pass if it's introduced. Doesn't say it's for sure going to pass, it's just likely to pass. Under the plan, people who own these digital assets would have 6 months to liquidate their holdings. Reuters source, a government official, didn't specify the punishment for breaking the rules after that, but a 2019 government panel recommended a jail sentence of up to 10 years for cryptocurrency-related offenses. The official says the discussions are in their final stages, although there's no strict timeline for introducing the bill. Wow. What do you guys think? Do you think people should be going to jail for 10 years for owning cryptocurrency? Something that's actually providing a lot of value to a lot of people? It still takes proof of work, to be able to mine these things. Anyways, I'm on Twitter if you guys want to check me out, at Atlas Official TV. My name is right down below the webcam right here where I'm pointing at. Boom, right there. And let's see what other people are talking about today. There are almost 3 billion video game players worldwide. Do you think they prefer gold or Bitcoin? Do you think they prefer cash or crypto? Do you think they prefer physical art or NFTs? Do you think they prefer Wall Street or DeFi? Very good questions, and I think a lot of you guys probably can assume what the answer is with that. Bitcoin is now worth more than the two largest payment services in the world combined, Visa and MasterCard. This is a little bit misleading because the price of Bitcoin's actually dropped, so we were already in kind of that position before. This is cool. This is not a Lamborghini or a Ferrari or even a C8 Corvette. I also didn't sell any Bitcoin directly to buy this, though Bitcoin did give me the financial freedom to make this purchase. This home will change the lives of a family of 5 currently living in a trailer. So this guy was able to acquire a house because of his involvement in Bitcoin. Again, you take a look at what's going on over in India. If they ban it, look at how that could be affecting some people. Look at the potential of what you could be having thanks to stuff like Bitcoin. You should get rewarded for not spending your money, for holding on to it, right? As like a savings account. And with the current financial based system that we have, your value that you hold on to goes down. So you have to have this mass accumulation of even more Bitcoin, right? Also, I actually got a ton of engagement on this. I'm almost up to 100 likes already. So BlockFi actually said, what's a feature you'd like to see from us? I mentioned it'd be nice if they had like officially some insurance set up just to help protect people a little bit more. And for those of you guys that don't know, I do have referral links in the description for this stuff. So if you guys want to, you can use my referral link to get some bonuses through Coinbase. There's a link in the description for that. For BlockFi as an affiliate, if you use my link, guys, you can actually get up to $250 in bonus cryptocurrency if you go through that referral link. And then there's also Webull and Robinhood for mainly stock stuff. Again, free things, so you get some free stock out of that too. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at the charts. 56,370. This is starting to climb up just a little bit. There's still 53 minutes left on the daily candle, though, so we do have to keep an eye on that. I'm not going to be making this video that long, so I do apologize about that, but you know, it is what it is. Okay, so here's what's interesting. We actually had this breakout that took place back on March 13th, breaking out of this ascending triangle pattern, right? And after we broke out, it started to show a little bit of a fake out. So it came down, was trying to test near that baseline, what was resistance, now forming as a support, except now we're technically below it. So we broke that level of support. Now it's a resistance again. And yeah, so basically big explosion up, pull back down, and the next day a further pull back down. And this got very close to our level of our support that we had here in this ascending channel, right? In fact, if I would just move this, say, right about there as a baseline to include that and then pass through these, you can actually see it's much closer towards this point of reference. And it also shows a pretty close level of support as a baseline right here off of this wick and near that one as well. So some association going on. I'm actually going to add in another one of my lines right here. This is going to be a red line like this, and we're going to make this also a dashed line, just like that, right? So that's looking as a level of support that we have to try and maintain. And just so you guys know, when we have the new daily candle formation, these are the things that we're going to need to be looking for. The support is going to be primarily at $55,000. That's on that ascending channel pattern that we got going on. A little bit below that on this line would be at the $54,582 range or so. We got to break above $57,600 and past that, past $58,443. And then we got to break above $60,000 on a psychological point, and then we still have more room to try and go after that. Now I'm just going to move this off to the side so you can see the candle here a little bit better. But yeah, we're seeing some definite resistance occurring right around $61,000, $62,000 type range. If we can manage to get past that, then we need to go all the way up to $76,874 just to be back on trend with where we had in mid-December. Right? We were going to see some resistance here too. Sorry about that. $65,100. That's on the Fibonacci sequence. So we still got, obviously, to get back to where we were, but these are some other levels that we need to maintain. And then a further level drop down we do have on the 21 EMA at $53,111. Tomorrow it's probably going to be closer to around $53,475-ish. The RSI on the daily has actually pulled back down. It's moving a little bit more towards the median zone, so this still has room to grow as well, even though the RSI starts to kind of fall off to the side once you're in a bull market with like what we're seeing. The volume did kick up more, but unfortunately it was on the red side. We've been seeing a lot of outflows going on with F2 pool. Keep an eye on that. We're going to see what goes on. I'll probably post an update on that on my Twitter. So if you guys, again, are not following me on Twitter, you might want to check that out. I do share a lot of relevant things and reposting of what other people are talking about in the crypto space as well. Technical raters are also suggesting this is a strong buy. Quickly, we're going to take a look at what's going on with Ethereum. Ethereum is in that like kind of cup and handle style pattern I've been talking about. Look at this. Right here is the cup. Drop down right there, and there's the handle. I'd say pretty soon, hopefully the next day, we're going to see that big pop up with this, and it's going to go ahead and rally. If Bitcoin still has some struggling momentum, well, this could end up dropping down more. Just because it looks like a cup and handle doesn't 100% guarantee that it will do that, but it does look very strongly like a cup and handle. We have support at 1,745, a bounce that took place off the 21 EMA here at 1,732. 1,700 is obviously another level of support. And then if we can manage to break up and start going forward, we're going to see some resistance taking place, guys, at 1970. Yeah, like 1975, then 2000, then we got 2048 is the previous all-time high. That was all the way back on February 20th, so it's been almost a month since we had that break above the all-time high. Bitcoin's had a recent rally that broke above its all-time high, but we still got to see that from the side with Ethereum. So you do see the volume is also kind of in the median side. The volume has kind of averaged out here a little bit. We haven't had any huge explosive growth yet with that. Technicals are suggesting as a buy. The RSI is also in a median zone. So things are still looking pretty good overall. I mean, we did show that support above the 21 EMA. If it closes above this, we're still looking good overall, guys. So that's going to go ahead and do it for this episode. If you're new to the channel, do not forget to hit subscribe, hit the thumbs up like button. Let's try and get this video to at least 100 likes. Also click on the bell icon so you can stay up to date whenever we have a new video. And let me know in the comments down below, are you guys bullish? Are you bearish on cryptocurrency? I mean, more specifically, what's going on with Bitcoin and Ethereum in this video. And just a quick side note, I'm not a financial advisor. Forgot to say that earlier in the video, but yeah, I'm not a financial advisor. Thank you guys so much for being here, and I will see you in the next episode.